Hi, it's Angela. Welcome to this short video. This is about finding out how smooth it is inside your hip joint. So when we're talking pattern interruption techniques and we talk about smoothness, we always want to be listening into where is it smooth, where is it crunchy, that's my technical term, where does it click, where do you skip over the movement. Now this could be for anything, but we can do it inside the hips. So take hold of your knee, and I'm going to suggest you do not interlace the fingers, because when you interlace the fingers, you're creating more tension in the arms. So place one hand on top of the other and just turn little circles inside your hip joint and discover, firstly, which way did you go? I didn't specify which way. I'm going in an anti-clockwise position. So I'm turning, and as I cross the midline, there's a little bit of a pinch sometimes. Besides that, I can feel quite a bit of smooth movement inside of the hip. And you can see I'm not doing a very big movement. And then you can listen into what's going on behind you, what's going on in the pelvis, what's going on in the lower back, and then do the opposite direction. Now place both legs in standing now and sense, is there a difference now in the hip joints? Can you feel a difference? What you've got to understand is the hip joint comes in on an angle, and it's a spiral-like action to bring the leg up. See, spiral. So we take hold of the other leg. Again, don't interlace the fingers, and try feeling how smooth is it on this side. Is it different? Is there more crunchiness? Now, often if this is the first time you're starting to listen into your body, you may or may not feel or sense what's going on. What you're doing is building awareness. Awareness is a skill, and it does take time. So be gentle and kind to yourself and notice what you notice. When you come back in a few weeks' time, you might notice something different. You might have more sense or feeling inside those areas. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button or tap that little bell icon so that you can get notified when my next video comes out.